What do you say, big fella, huh? And here is Tex. Tex with half of my pack. Come on, everybody, let's go for a walk. Go for a walk. Who wants to go for a walk? Come on. First day here. He is doing great. Good job, buddy. Good job. A bunch of friendly dogs, but still pretty intimidating, maybe. Good job, buddy boy. Yeah. What do you think? You part of the pack now? There's the other half over there. Good job, buddy. Good job. Big sounds of the truck. Look at that truck going by. Wow. Huge one. Okay, here we go, everybody. Come on, everybody. Good job. Pee-wee. You like my buddy Tex? You like my buddy Tex? Good job. What do you think, Biggle? What do you think, Mr. Biggle? You like my buddy Tex, Biggle? That's Fuchsia and Conway. They always play rough. Come on, buddy. Let's go, Tex. Come on, buddy. Good job. Yeah. Good work, my friend. Come on, Tex. Go, Tex. Good. Hey! Relax. Everybody relax. You can go explore if you want. So, that's a pretty good first day, and that's about all we're going to do with Tex for the rest of the day. Yeah. Good dog. Good.